Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a baked fish with lime and cilantro sauce, and I will also add tomatoes and onions and garlic for the sauce. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to add a black pepper on the fish. And also salt. As usual, right? To flavor it. And then I'm going to add some oil in there. While you're doing this, preheat your oven 400 degrees and we'll bake this like 20 to 25 minutes or until the fish is cooked. I tried to remove the head. Look what I did. But it's kind of hard. I really hate to look at the eye of the fish. That's why I always use a fillet. But anyway, just bear like that. I'm just being idiotic. Okay, we'll bake this one and we'll make the sauce while we're baking the fish. Alright, we're going to make the sauce. We're going to put all that together here in the food processor. And I forgot that we're going to put 3 chili. I'm not going to put a salt here because we are going to heat this up. Should be good. Okay, we're going to add a little oil there. And we'll pour this in there. Oh, and it's coming. Put your heat in the medium low. And you can add the chicken powder and black pepper. And stir it. You can adjust your sodium. You can add a little bit salt. Alright, this should be enough. This is ready to serve. Top with the fish. Turn up your heat. Set aside and put on top of the fish. Okay. Hello everyone, this is my baked fish with cilantro and lime sauce. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie, God bless you all. See ya.